Hi, everyone. My name is Aaron Bali. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Monogram. And most people know me from the two companies I started, online education company Udemy and healthcare company Carbon Health. But my obsession has always been how technology and design can turn something that's complicated into simple. And if you think about the evolution of software, every major leap has happened in two phases. First, a groundbreaking invention changes what is possible. But the early products are typically a direct translation of the underlying technology until another innovation reimagines this experience from the user's perspective. And that's when the real unlock happens. What felt complex becomes simple. The personal computers started with user interfaces that look like code. You have to master it. But graphical user interfaces turned them into a device that anybody can use without a manual. Similarly, when internet first came out, it was a network of computers that had protocols that you had to really understand. But the browser, a new user interface, made them something anybody could navigate. And these innovations come one after the other. Even when cheap technology allowed us to make computers that could fit in your hand, they didn't start with usable interfaces. They just looked like small desktop interfaces. As you all know, Steve Jobs and the team reimagined that these new device interacting with these devices in a way that was not possible before. That's when smartphones became mass market. And today, AI is in its command line phase. It's text in, text out. But this is not how we had imagined. You actually heard from Nick today from OpenAI. Even they didn't imagine this way, right? Because we had AI in movies for decades, and in none of those movies, we are interfacing with AI through a chat window, writing questions and getting text back out. Instead, we always had some interactive visual interface with audio in the center, with affordances, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, today in this room, you'll be the first people to see this vision. Eduard, we are with you with the demo.
Thank you, Aaron. So let's start with a simple example. Show me all the TV shows with a new season coming out this year. So unlike chatbots, Monogram responds to you with a fully visual interface in just a few seconds. And voila. The AI that you see was generated on the fly as we speak. The AI decided to add some carousels to help you browse those TV shows by categories, and you can even tap on one. Let's tap on this one. And this page also is generated on the fly in just a few seconds as we speak. In this case, the AI decided to add highlights, a short description, the cast with a grid of cards, and you can tap on one card and generate a new model on the fly based on the context of this conversation to learn about this actor. And if you keep going, you will see a timeline of all the seasons, what to show next, some reviews, and even a section to help you find a place to watch this. Let's see if this works. I'm going to tap on watch, and it opens the right app with the right TV show. Yes, and it works. All right, we're not going to watch that now. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to try another example. Can you create a recipe of a steak tartare, but I'm vegan? Steak tartare with a twist. Let's see. Didn't. So I can help you. It actually didn't understand my accent, so which is the biggest challenge for Monogram. Let me give it another try. Can you create a recipe of a steak tartare, but I'm vegan? All right. OK, this time it worked. So it generated an entirely new user interface, this time with a grid of ingredients using visual illustrations, a timeline for the step-by-step recipe, and some serving IDs. Where can I find a place to eat this? So Monogram is not about restaurant recipes or TV shows. You can ask anything, and it will generate the most visual answer, interactive answer for you. And we're launching soon, in 3 weeks, on June 26th, and you can go to our website to join our early access list. Thank you.
And our website is monogram.ai, so just...
And here are the places where you can eat a steak tartare with beets.